Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders. I'm doing the 2022 Advent Calendar unboxing. This is day 11. We have another great item to find. I just have to find door number 11. And I'm using my finger to run through this. I did find that I needed to use my tool here to help me get some of these boxes open because they are definitely firmly shut. Looks like we have another die set. Let's get that out of the package. And it looks like a beautiful banner die with several drop-in pieces that come say different things. Hello there. Birthday hugs, no, sending hugs, and it's your day. That looks like a very versatile die set. Can't wait to play with that. Until tomorrow, bye-bye.